HTC Uplay Teardown and Reassemble Guide. Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, T5 Torx screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, playing cards. Power down your HTC Uplay phone. Eject the SIM card and micro SD card tray. The HTC Uplay rear glass panel is glued on solidly. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use the triangle opening tool to attack the adhesive and dislodge the rear panel from the phone. Remove the following 7 T5 Torx screws and 3 Phillips screws. Use the flat end of the spudger to pry up the plastic shields that cover the motherboard and daughterboard. Spudge the HTC Uplay battery connector up from the board. Remove the following Phillips screw. Detach the bevy of cables from the HTC Uplay motherboard. Carefully pry the motherboard up and out of the phone. Pop off the small board that includes the proximity sensor and ambient light. Extricate the 16-megapixel HTC Uplay rear-facing camera from the motherboard. Remove the impressive 16-megapixel HTC Uplay front-facing selfie camera. Easily lift the loudspeaker out of the smartphone. Remove the small metal bracket and then use the spudger to disconnect the flock of cables from the daughterboard. Use the tweezers to free the vibrator from the adhesive, securing it in place. Pry the HTC Play daughterboard up from the midframe. It includes the USB-C connector, vibrator, a microphone, spring contacts, and some control hardware. The HTC battery is well wedged and adhered in place. Use a spudger to help free it from the adhesive, securing it to the midframe. Lift out the 3.85 volt 2435 mAh HTC Play battery. Tweeze the HTC Play earpiece speaker out of the chassis. Remove the following 8 Phillips screws. Extract the HTC Play metal frame. Remove the signal cables and then use the tweezers to remove the fragile power and volume buttons ribbon cable from the side of the midframe. Peel the tape and interconnect cables off the frame. The 5.2-inch HTC Play display assembly is glued solidly to the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use the precision knife to create enough space or insert a playing card. Use the playing card to slice through the sticky adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you've sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the display cable when decoupling the HTC Play screen from the midframe. Carefully remove the cables for the bottom buttons. Extract the HTC Uplay capacitive home button and fingerprint sensor from the midframe. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.